LBM Liftoff.
In this video, we will introduce the purchase order process within LBM. Within LBM, you will order your products from your vendors or suppliers via purchase orders, which we often refer to as POs. Now, if you do not do so already, as a best business practice, you should consider ensuring that every purchase you make has an associated purchase order saved in the system. Even if you just order products over the phone and pay immediately, it is always best to backfill the system with a PO for record-keeping purposes. LBM makes this very easy by allowing the user to automate PO creation in many instances, such as when creating buyouts from the point of sale, or you can even create purchase orders when receiving products. Now, every purchase order has a unique number that is automatically generated for LBM users. This number also includes a prefix for companies with multiple locations. Within your company details settings, you can edit the prefix by location for your purchase orders. So let's go to Personal and Admin, click on Settings, and down to Company Details. Now, it doesn't matter if you have one location or multiple locations. You simply want to select the location you wish to change the prefix for your purchase order numbers and select Edit. Under the General tab, you will see the field Purchase Order Initials. In this case, the PO prefix is set to P1. Now, we are looking at an example company that has 4 locations, so the system is assigning 1 through 4 as a prefix. If you only have one location, you can use whatever prefix you want. Now back to the PO interface. Within the purchase order interface, you'll see that there are many purchase order types. I'll use the drop-down arrow under PO Types field, and you'll see that we have everything from normal buy to forecast to return type purchase orders. We even have order-to-order point type POs, whether it be by min, by max, or by order point. You can also do returns based on order points or even returns based on forecast. All of these options are available right from the PO interface. Our purchase order options will automatically provide you with the information you need to help your company make good purchasing decisions without ever having to leave this page. These various types of purchase orders will be covered in detail in additional training videos, at which point you will see all the benefits of this embedded functionality. Now, if I were to go to Product Management, click on Purchase Orders, I'll be taken to the Purchase Order Listing page. From the Purchase Order Listing page, you will be able to use searches and filters to see a variety of information about your company's purchase orders, including their status, which is this column here. Now let's cover statuses of purchase orders you will see within LBM. The first status I want to look at is Approved. An approved purchase order has been saved but has not been finalized or sent to your supplier or vendor, therefore is not impacting your quantity on hand or your quantity on order. Basically, it's a pending rough draft purchase order. Now, a finalized purchase order probably has been sent to your supplier or should be, because now your quantity on order has increased for all the products on that purchase order. If you see an order that is partially received, such as this one, that indicates that some of the products have been received on the purchase order through the receiving module. If you see a status of order received in full, that indicates that all of the products have either been received or any products that were not received were canceled from the purchase order. If you see a status of completely canceled, that indicates that the purchase order was finalized, but before any receiving was done, someone made the decision to cancel all the products from the purchase order. The final status you will see is completely reconciled. This is for purchase orders that have actually had the vendor invoice reconciliation completed. We'll discuss return purchase orders and the statuses you'll see for those in a future video. But as we saw, there are a variety of options when it comes to creating purchase orders. Whether you are using normal buy to manually add products, using order points to generate purchase orders, or using sales history to forecast orders, LBM has a purchasing option that'll work great for your business.